Do I look good?
You look amazing.
Thanks.
Alright, so what we're doing here is we're just having a little talk with my lady friend, Anna, and we're going to have to sit down every now and then where I ask her questions or ask her what her thoughts are about my car, cars in general, anything like that. Maybe you ever try to do something which would be awesome. Anyway, so we just finished recording parts that she knows about cars and what goes on cars, and it was
A disaster.
it was a disaster. She doesn't know much at all. Anyway, all that being said, she wanted to do something where she gotta just have the right answer all the time and make fun of me. So we're gonna do things she doesn't like about my car. So I want you to start.
Inside.
Let's start with the outside of the car. What do you not like about how it looks?
Probably the color.
The color?
Oh.
Wait, the blue?
Okay, so I like the colors.
Okay.
They're pretty, but I'm really excited for you to have go black.
Go black.
I'm like a black, red,
Wait, so you don't like the color of the blue?
yeah, for a car.
For a car, you don't like
Okay.
the color of the blue?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, how your car is, it's good for it, but I would never go blue like that. Sorry. So yeah.
What about the racing stripe, though?
I like stripes on clothing, but not on cars.
I thought I had hope there for a second.
But not on cars.
Okay. Wow. I never knew that about the color. I knew a lot of the other things. We're off to a rough start. Alright, so what do you think about...
I don't like the splitter in the
You
front.
don't like the splitter of the front?
Hey, I had that right.
Yeah, you
Splitter.
got that one right. You knew that name. She doesn't know what diffuser means. Wow. My car's looking over there, which is why I keep looking over there, so don't think I'm like just really looking over at her right shoulder, like giving me inspiration. What do you not like about, or what do you think of the flares?
The flares.
The flares.
Is that
That's the things that stick out the side of the car over the tires.
okay? They don't look too bad, actually.
On a scale of -2 to 13, where do you put them?
-2?
Yeah, to 13. Where does it go?
3?
3? It's like a 50%, if that. All right. Wow, you're making me burp a lot. What do you think of my wheels?
I actually like your wheels.
What do you like about them?
They're black. I was actually thinking about that the other day.
Yeah. That's why.
And your wing. I don't like your wing.
We're not that part of the car yet.
Oh. Okay.
But she doesn't like the wing, is what she's saying. I knew that one a long time ago. Anyway, that's not what this is about. What do you think about the rest of the back of the car?
The back of
The
the
whole
car?
back, the wing diffuser, exhaust, just the looks.
I actually never pay attention to the diffuser.
Yeah?
The wing is like the attention right now in your car.
No kidding.
And then it's the color of it.
Let me put the pause on.
Oh yeah, your mirrors.
Oh, what about the mirrors?
They're really tiny. They're like someone has really small ears.
Small ears? My car has small ears?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go to the inside. So,
I'm not done with the outside.
you're not done with the outside?
I'm kidding.
Oh.
That was pretty much it.
Okay. Is there anything else, though?
We took off
The side skirts. Did you not like those?
Actually, they weren't that bad. It was just the yellow.
Yeah, I don't like that either. That's getting fixed.
So the inside,
Inside.
your seats,
Yeah?
they're comfortable, but I just don't like just the
Like just the color?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't like that either. That's why I kept asking you if you knew how to sew.
No.
'Cause-
Oh.
Yeah, it was.
That's why you wondered?
Yeah, because I want to take them apart and then resew them with black and red stitching. And then just get seat covers in the meantime. So that's could be the next project because I don't think that'll cost too much. So we can save up for someone else. Anyway, what else about the inside? What do you think of my steering wheel?
Oh, I think it's cool.
What about how it comes off?
Yeah, that's why it's cool.
Yes! Victory.
Oh, what's the black stuff?
The black stuff in my car?
Yeah.
Oh, in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, the vinyl wrap.
Vinyl wrap. Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty
'Cause
ugly, isn't it?
Because it's coming off.
Yeah,
You know?
like that. You want to just take it apart, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that part either. I vinyl wrapped my interior center console because I tried painting it black, but I was a judge and didn't paint it earlier. So there's like chemicals on it and the paint didn't dry for 8 months. So I vinyl wrapped it, and that was the first thing I ever vinyl wrapped. It was crap. So, what do you think about the speed of my car?
The speed?
Yeah.
I can go faster. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Well, I feel like it actually goes pretty fast.
Think my car's fast?
But I've never been in anyone.
Well, she thinks my car's fast.
But I'm sure it's slow compared to other people. Pew pew pew.
Yeah, it is slow. I'm just kidding.
You say you told me that.
Yeah, it's slow.
And you tell everyone that too.
I do tell everyone it's slow because it is slow. It looks good. It's got a big wang. Huge. Woo! I got hair everywhere. Because it's current. What do you think? Wait, do you have something in mind?
I feel like the inside just needs to be updated.
It does need to be updated. What about my shift knob, the one that kind of spins because it won't screw in?
I like it.
Yes, you do.
I mean, it matches the mirrors, so that's good.
Stop pulling.
We have to reach.
I got a burp again.
Or
That was a good one. How attractive was that?
very attractive.
Very. Guess what we had for dinner? Okay.
Chicken!
Yeah! What do you think about the noise?
I hate the noise. I'm sorry. I hate loud things. I'm sorry. I really hate it. You're really gonna deal with it, okay?
Thank you. Okay.
I already said it. Can't take it back.
I know. I know you don't like the noise.
I just have sensitive ears.
You do have sensitive ears. I'm like, whoa.
I honestly feel like I can't hear anyone anymore because I'm always in your car listening to
You're not in my car that much. The thing about my car is that it doesn't have where the trunk isn't separated from the rest of the cabin, so the exhaust goes straight back and it makes it super loud inside because there's no dampening. So I want to fix that sometime because it's loud as balls.
Oh!
Ooh.
I remember.
What?
Your car is low. I don't like low cars.
You don't like low cars?
No. Because you're like tall and then you get super low trying to scoot in and then trying to get out. It's.
Yeah.
No. I don't like it.
By the way, this isn't something where it's like, oh, low stance cars I don't like. Her mom has a Mercedes, just normal Mercedes car, and she thinks it's too low.
It is.
Yeah.
I hate getting in it.
Yeah. So it's not the fact that it looks too cool that she can't handle it, but
No. I just, when I get in cars like mine, I like to just scoot right in. I don't like to get low and then scoot in. Especially if I'm wearing a dress. I know some days.
me too.
I know, you wear lots of skirts.
I do. It's pretty embarrassing. Don't tell anyone when I work out at the deep squat. That was weird. Okay. Anyway, oh hey. What do you think of how low it is just based off looks?
I will leave it like that.
Leave it like that? So do you like it or do you?
Yeah, I mean, it goes good with your car. Like, if you lifted it, that'd be so
It would be weird if I lifted it.
Somebody should do that.
To lift a car like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have those. They're called donks.
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 Or donks.
You're a donk. Alright.
Chotch.
Anything else you don't like? Yeah, Josh.
I think that's it.
That's it?
I can't really go over it all.
Yeah.
Still
Alright, so yeah, I guess that's it. She likes my wheels. And that's about it.
Oh,
So
I do like one more thing.
we're not getting the blank video yet.
Okay.
Yeah. That's okay. I'll ask you in a second. So yeah. That's it. A lot she doesn't like. Can do another video on what she likes as well. There's a lot she doesn't like. So far, she just likes the wheels, and that's really about it. Yeah, that's it for this video. Go ahead and leave your hate in the comments. Dislike, unsubscribe, all the good stuff. Bye.